In the name of God, the most merciful and the most compassionate. Hi everyone, how you doing? The sun and I bid you a warm welcome filled with hopes and dreams. What is the hidden secret to becoming an elegant copywriter? The most impactful copywriting secrets, techniques, triggers, and strategies all in this video. What does a copywriter do? A copywriter writes persuasive marketing materials. The copywriter motivates people to take action, buy a product, sign up for a service, donate to a charity, click on a link, and the list goes on. What do the materials created by copywriters include? How can I write these difficult materials? I'm not good at writing. Don't worry, I'll give you hidden treasures, riches stored in secret places so that you can be an elegant copywriter. You will do nothing. Just smile, click, manage, and add some feelings and emotions because everything will be done for you. What do the materials created by copywriters include? 1. Stylish headlines that snatch people's attention. Sales copy, catalogs, fundraising letters, web pages, sales emails, product or service description, press releases, newsletters, social media posts, blog articles, billboards, broadcast commercials, brochures, postcards and mailers, print ads, radio scripts, video scripts, platform-lucid copy for social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Solid knowledge of SEO, keyword research, and analytics tools, for example, Google Analytics. Creating a copywriting portfolio. Once you know the hidden secret, you will become an elegant copywriter. The hidden secret is the tools. Thank God there are many copywriting tools available that can help you find inspiration for your ad copy, support your creative writing process, and validate the advertising copy you create. What are the top copywriting tools? 1. Facebook Ads Library. It's an online warehouse of advertisements that have run live on the Facebook social media platform. It's available for free. Just click the link and start searching for inspiration or analyzing the competition. The ad library provides advertising transparency by offering a comprehensive searchable collection of all ads. 2. SpyFu competitor analysis. Type any domain into the SpyFu search bar and you will be able to discover the top performing content. SpyFu makes it easy to study how other brands in your niche are using copywriting to create effective advertisements and web content. SpyFu exposes the search marketing secrets formula of your most successful competitors. 3. Sharethrough Headline Analyzer. Sharethrough offers a free service that analyzes the power of your headline and offers tips for making improvements. Sharethrough is quick and easy to use. It's free. The headline analyzer provides several scores for readability, SEO, and sentiment. 4. SEMrush Display Advertising Analytics. SEMrush is an industry leader in search engine marketing software tools. You can access in-depth display advertising analytics for any brand. You can enter any URL to access the audience targeting data by demographics and interests, as well as images of historical text and display ads. Save time and budget. Stay creative with your content while SEMrush takes care of the data. 5. Grammarly Premium. Grammarly Premium evaluates your content automatically for spelling and grammar, readability, conciseness, vocabulary, and even checks for plagiarism to help you avoid duplicate content issues. With Grammarly, you can ensure everything you write comes across the way you intend. You can present your best self every time you type. 6. Hemingway Editor. When you create copy in the Hemingway Editor, you will benefit from instant feedback on the quality, accessibility, conciseness, and readability of your work. The app automatically highlights errors using a color scheme that you will quickly learn, identifying opportunities for you to correct mistakes or improve your copy with a simpler and more concise sentence. The Hemingway app is an editor that helps you find and fix all errors and improve readability. 7. Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a web-based research tool that helps you discover the most frequently asked questions surrounding a specific keyword, product, or service. Answer the Public is a free tool to get instant raw search insights directly from the minds of your customers. Eight, Rhyme Zone. You can type any word into the search bar and access a comprehensive list of rhyming words organized by the number of syllables. This can help you discover rhymes or identify attention-grabbing words to incorporate into your advertising copy. The best skill is about getting inside the heads of your customers and writing to their fears, desires, problems, wants, and needs. 9. Thesaurus.com. It's a website that you can use to search for synonyms or antonyms of any word you choose. It's completely free. Tell stories. We all love good stories. They are all about emotion, triumph, mystery, collaboration, connection. 10. Copywriting Examples. They have a strong collection of brand, creative, and retention copywriting examples. Good copywriting is organized and persuasive. The power of women in marketing is incredibly important. Women are the most powerful consumers. Take out all the fluff and skip the show we're writing. Write the way you talk. Add testimonials in your copy. Examine your readers' emotions. Understand their pain points and the feelings behind them. They write content that is specific enough to reflect exactly how they feel. Search engine optimization is the backbone of any digital marketing strategy. Golden tips. Don't publish anything on your blog if you have doubts about the authenticity of the information. Plagiarism is a crime and it can have serious consequences. Simplicity is brilliance. I have surrendered to the Lord of the Worlds. Break a leg, Sayyid Abul Mat.